Flair history dates back to 18th century. Jerry Thomas, father of bartending from New York. He presented a show which he prepared Blue Blazer cocktail. During its preparation, when pouring Blue Blazer, he beautifully presented blazing whiskey and steaming boiled water. With that stunning presentation, Flair Bartending ignited. He is the first author in the world of bartending with his first book, Bartender's Guide, written in 1862. Later, one of the staff at TJF in 1980s started modern-day version of entertaining drink mixing. The craze soon spread from Los Angeles branch, as the manager encouraged other servers to learn how to dazzle their customers. By 1986, TGIF started hosting Bar Olympics. Now there are competitions held around the world every year to find the best flair bartenders. In the mid-2000s, World Flair Association was formed, bringing a Grand Slam system into play, along with an accompanying worldwide league table. In India, at present, we have very few flair bartenders. There is a lot of scope and demand in market.